Look, I'm up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I can got this, I can got that trap. I don't know what this is. Listen. This too. Okay, I closed myself in last night because I didn't want to lose trouble. He didn't get on there. Okay, so I got him with the vacuum. And then I clean that stuff up.